Kyle Gobert. I was working in a job that became toxic last year, 2019, excuse me. And so I decided, hey, I'm gonna walk away, and went on a mini retirement. And this was in November of 2019. And then COVID hit. And so I knew I needed to make a pivot, and I had heard a podcast interview that ChooseFI did. And so I started digging in, kind of fumbled my way through that with no guidance, didn't use the community to its fullest extent. And so I started trying to figure out what's the best route to do this, and how do I learn Salesforce better than what I'm doing on my own. And I came across the Veterans Portal, which is now Military Trailblazers. As a veteran, that was huge. It opened up a little bit more opportunities, or a lot more opportunities, excuse me, but I still wasn't using the community like I should have. Found an organization called Merivis. They are a veterans and military spouse nonprofit organization that tries to get us trained in Salesforce. They do get you trained in Salesforce. Went through that and did amazing. Had a great coach, and the organization itself was amazing. However, I was still just struggling. I didn't feel like I was fitting in, and it wasn't where I needed to be. And then, still listening to ChooseFI, I heard about Talent Stacker and dove right in. I felt like that was where I needed to focus, is building up some talents. And of course, you had the 5-day free challenge. So I dove into that, decided, okay, I do want to give this a try. It's not just about Salesforce and the trailhead. It was more about the career development portion that I had no guidance on prior to. So that was really where I felt the benefit from the program would be for me. It wasn't, okay, hey, this is just another program, pay me and I'm gonna get you certified. I understand where you're at. Yeah, you haven't passed the exam. You've already taken it twice. You're struggling. I get that. We're going to get you passed. And then on the other side was the career development portion that really kind of pushed me over, said, okay, I feel like if I put in the money, that's going to be my driving force. I have paid to it, and now I'm going to get this value because I have some stake in this. The LinkedIn portion alone, there's so much value in that. And I didn't even realize how valuable LinkedIn was. I knew there was value there, but I had no clue as to how to brand myself, how to make my LinkedIn profile look professional and what that should look like. And then how to, hit the target audience that you're looking for, in order to start, making waves or making traction. I can tell you that my search results for, when you log in, you can actually see who's searched for you have gone up significantly due to just the things that you recommended. But I know plenty of people from our program or your program that have done it and have seen significant traction. Anita, for one, she's been killing it and wasn't even looking for a job and had somebody reach out to her. So there's so much value in the LinkedIn portion that it's just unreal. The content keeps growing. I've been on vacation for the last 2 weeks, and I just logged in today, and I noticed there was more material to go through, and I'm like, oh, this is some great stuff that, the training end users. I need to go through that so that I am prepped for my new role coming up, so that I understand how to train the end users. Yeah, I know how to use it on my end, but how do I explain it to them? So the value just keeps going up, man, and I can't expressed my gratitude and excitement for us. I sat down and did a mock interview, and prior to the interview, which is not recorded, me explaining comfortable and how basically terrified I was. And you're saying, hey, take it easy, step back, you know more than you think you know, you're going to be fine. You talked me down off the ledge, and then we went through the interview. That portion was what I feel like really helped me say, okay, I understand. I can do this. I don't need to be as nervous as I make this out to be. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a conversation with another person. Wholeheartedly, yes, it's worth it. You've got to have your own motivation to get through it. You've got to have some drive. It's not going to be something that you can just coast through. You've got to put in the work. There is the material that is there to get you from point A to point B. You just got to follow the process. Or you can't just pick and choose. You got to do it all. The investment is worth it. As Jonathan had said on Talent Stacker, you've got to invest a little bit in yourself to get there long term. And so the investment up front is well worth the return at the end. I had somebody reach out and ask me, I don't know if this is for me. And I said, look, here's the deal. You've got to put in the work. I see the investment for myself, but if you have any reservations, reach out to Bradley, talk to him, see what he has to offer. 5-day free challenge. If you feel like it's, a fit from there, then jump in, go. I don't see anything wrong with it. You can't lose. There's no loss here. Just put your head down, get to work, and you'll succeed.